A Traffic Incident Management Area, or TIMA, should be set up at every roadway response scene. It provides a protected area for responders to work. The blocking vehicles provide this protection. The blocking vehicle or vehicles within the TIMA, positioned upstream between the buffer space and the incident, provide the protected work area for responders. Blocking vehicles should be large and heavy enough to stop the forward progress of oncoming vehicles. Position the blocking vehicle upstream of the incident, far enough from the work area so it cannot be pushed into that area when struck. Position on an angle to close the roadway lanes necessary to give responders room to work. The pitch of the angle depends on the width of the roadway area to be closed. The area closed is typically lane plus 1, meaning the lane or lanes of the incident plus an additional lane for a buffer. If the angle needed to span these lanes is wider than a single blocking vehicle, multiple vehicles should be overlapped. In some situations, a linear position block may be called for, such as a single disabled vehicle on the shoulder or an EMS call on a residential street. To linear block, park the response vehicle in a straight line directly upstream of the first incident vehicle within the same lane. Leave sufficient space so that the responder vehicle will not hit the incident vehicles if it is struck. Once parked, cut the wheels to their critical wheel angle so that if struck from the rear, the responder vehicle is not pushed into the work area. Once a blocking vehicle is parked, set the parking brake and initiate stationary light shedding procedures according to NFPA standards, department protocol, and apparatus capabilities. Set a wheel chock once the vehicle has been safely exited. Blocking is typically adjusted as the incident changes, such as when a lane is reopened. Safe positioning refers to parking vehicles that are working the scene but not providing blocking. For example, an ambulance positioned within the activity area to render patient care is safe positioned when it is parked downstream within the protected area and with its patient loading doors angled away from traffic. A tow truck waiting to load involved vehicles can be safe positioned when parked downstream past the involved vehicles within the protected area. Vehicles being staged, or POVs, are often being positioned off the roadway. Follow department SOPs for safe positioning.